Every day there is one or the other AI layoff का headline. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, everyone is doing it. मेरा तो emergency fund भी नहीं है यार, मुझे तो बहुत डर लग रहा है. Savings करूँ या invest करूँ, I don't know what to do.
Emergency fund? इस economy में? Not at all. Bro, your money should be multiplying, not sitting idle. This is the best time to go aggressive. मेरी बात मानो and invest in AI stocks, global tech momentum trades. One good breakout stock and your emergency fund doubles anyway. Very simple.
And one layoff, or even worse, a crash, can wipe out that confidence too. A survey by Local Circles found that over 57% of Indian households don't have savings to survive beyond 6 months without income. That's a bigger problem.
But people also say that keeping cash idle is a problem because inflation will eat it up. So what should a person even do? Because that is what people are saying off the internet also.
Exactly. Cash is trash. I know people keeping 10-15 lakhs idle in savings account while markets and other instruments are making all-time highs, and it is painful.
What's more painful is breaking investments during a crisis because rent, EMI and bills don't stop. Emergency funds are not for growth, they are for stability.
And layoffs also feel different today because nobody knows what is going to happen in the future.
Correct. The World Economic Forum estimates that AI and automation could disrupt nearly 44% of worker skills within 5 years. So this isn't fear-mongering. Income uncertainty is becoming real, and the earlier you start planning for this, the better.
Which is why I tell people to build 7 income streams. I'm telling everyone, चाहे freelance कर लो, trade, content, consulting, affiliate, crypto, don't just depend on one single salary. Emergency funds are a thing of the past here, yaar. This is old school.
Multiple income streams are great, but before that, build one strong financial cushion. Because panic makes people take the worst financial decisions. Redeeming long-term investments, taking expensive debt, stopping SIPs midway. That's how wealth creation breaks.
तो realistically, correct emergency fund number क्या है?
Minimum 6 to 12 months of essential expenses, accessible, low risk. Separate them from investments because investing works best when life doesn't force you to interrupt compounding.
This sounds completely boring to me, yaar.
Real wealth creation usually is. The internet just edits out the boring parts. If you also want to know how much emergency fund do you need, comment emergency and we'll share the calculator with you.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.